Are you looking for a business to start with less capital and with no special tools? Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home mom, or you work in the office, or you are even a teacher, this cake making video is just for you, because this cake making does not require any special tools to make it. Number one. Number two, you don't need much capital for this. So let's dive right into the video. To make this cake, I have 4 cups of flour, so I'll just go ahead and sieve it. The reason why you sieve your flour before using is to incorporate air and also to remove any form of dirt that could be inside it. Okay, so I'll go ahead now and mix all the dry ingredients together. This recipe is so easy to follow, so kindly pay attention. Now I'll go in with 2 tablespoons of baking powder and give that a stir. Ensure to mix it properly so that everything will combine together. All right, so after mixing, I'll go in with my nutmeg. Now I'll go in with salt. The next thing I'll be adding is milk flavor. Okay, so I'll go ahead and mix this together thoroughly. Then I will set aside and move over to the next step. Now I'll go ahead and break the egg one after the other, and I believe you know what they say about one bad egg. I've experienced that before, so I don't break all my eggs together anymore. So I break them one after the other, and now I'll whisk it and set aside. I know you'll be wondering, why am I whisking the egg and set aside? Don't worry, as we go on you will understand. Now it's time for me to start mixing the butter. This is about 500 grams of butter. Like I said earlier, all the ingredients used will be listed in the description box. Do well to check it out. I'll go ahead and add sugar. That's 1.5 cup of sugar, and I will start whisking it. Okay, I will start mixing it. You know, I said you can make this cake without any special tool. I have a machine to mix this, but I just want to let you know that you can do this without any special tools. I hope you understand. Go ahead and mix this together thoroughly. After mixing for a while, you go ahead and add a little of the egg mixture. This will help you to make the sugar to mix properly. You can do this with your blender, you know, but the purpose of this video is just to let you know you can do this without anything, just with your hand. You gradually add this egg to the mixture as you go in the process, like as you mix. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. If today is your first time seeing my video, I welcome you to Benninice Kitchen. Do well to like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel so that you keep seeing amazing video on this channel. And you can also take a tour around this channel. I believe you will see more business idea video, more home recipe, weight loss recipes, and a whole lot in the channel. Okay, to my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you for always staying connected. May God bless you. Okay, as usual, don't forget to like, comment and share. Comment where you are watching from so that I can even give you a shout out in my next video. All right, now I'll go in with vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. All right, Gradually add the flour and mix. Okay, after some time I'll go in with the liquid milk. I told you I have liquid milk for this recipe, but this is totally optional. Okay, so after I add some flour, I'll also go in with the liquid milk. Okay. Now I've greased all this pan with butter. All I need to do now is just to add the batter into it accordingly and bake in a preheated oven. Okay, if you don't have oven, you can also bake it. Just put all of this in a pot and bake. Okay, I hope you are getting value from this video. If you are, let me know in the comments. Comment your thoughts in the comment section. Like the video, share to somebody, share to your friends and family. All right. After some minutes, this is what we have. Isn't this looking beautiful? This is nice. The texture is on point. Everything is just perfect. Just imagine you taking this to your office, or you are selling it in the school, or as a student you are doing this as your side hustle, or you take it to your office, or even as a mom you make this as a perfect snack for your children. I believe everybody will just be happy because this one is so yummy. The recipe is so nice and is on point. So guys, could you be trying this recipe? Would you be making this as your business or as an easy snack for your family? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have watched up to this time, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for staying connected. Look at how fluffy this cake is. It's delicious. Yeah, it's delicious. So guys, help me to share this video, like it so that other people can actually see it. All right, so go ahead and package this for your sales, for your children's snack, for whatever purpose you want to use it for. This is a perfect recipe for you. Thank you so much, and I will be seeing you soon in my next video. Remember, don't forget to share the video. All right, bye. And again, don't forget to check out all the ingredients that I used. These are all the ingredients I used, and I'm also going to list them in the comments, in the description box. All right guys, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for always staying connected. Bye for now.